welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Dwayne, and Dwayne has a lot of things to say. As Ari has also came out, and he's speaking about a lot of stuff pertaining to Donna. And you would like to go and touch our video to hear what they have to say. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so whenever I post, you would already know. For everyone out there that's celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday, and I wish you the desires of your hearts and prosperity as well. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends today, I wish you a wonderful day. I hope that you will continue to stand for yourself in every way. Remember, you have a backbone, and your backbone should be as strong as anyone else's backbone. Stand on your own, do what is right, and live in a way that is pleasing to your Creator. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Come class, sir. Much time come class in backside. I don't see it. Honestly, I was a class and people when I feel like more when them problem what to come class when I see it. And bang them on the blind. That just tell you I don't give a shit. I only care, the whole I only care. All our brother want to come dash up on me like, so watch ya. Up on you too. That was not him want me time. He wants to come out and answer him. He want me to come and cuss him. You see, this is what they like to do, distracting people. They want me to come cuss him. Same kind of I'm off guard the police with because come cuss him. And this time it might be perhaps unprovoked. He not get it. He won't get it. You, Miss Jane, you're not getting it. Miss Bringle, you won't get it. You is a waste matter to me. You're a damn waste matter. But you know what I'm going to say is a waste matter? You are rejected. You are rejected by your family, and I'm not. You hear me? You are rejected by your family, and I'm not. I understand me about him, and my family still love me. My mother love me. My father love me. My granny love me. My cousin, all of my family they love me. So, that's why you are come out there seeking validation. Pan social media, not me. I do it. You are doing it. I mean, I'll cuss you. You won't get it. Go away. Miss Pringle, go away. Go away.
When you do it, your woman, wait them there for you coming out to us on the link. All I know come out to us on the link. There's no way strangers can be on the internet. If you don't have no connection to that big stinking broadback woman there. He's not her son. He's not her man. Where you come out for me. Where you not know. Or she where you not supposed to know. Now you not defend. Now you not look no fame. Now you not look no views. So where you come for then?
Oh, all of them look something. All of them look something. Gonna go away.
You not fuck her. He's not her man.
They will look something.
Not her man, you know, fuck her, you know. I never hear she say she even like you yet, you know. Remember, so she did come and tell the wall, you know. But like with her, I mean, never did like she.
True, it is damn true. She tried to pull him to her over her side, and it never worked out. I'm telling you, that Donna is flipping calculated. She's a calculated scammer, thief. One big calculated one too.
Not her man, you know, fuck her, you know. I never hear she say she even like you yet, you know. Remember, so she did come and tell the wall, you know. But like with her, I mean, never did like.
Harry, she class him. Harry, she says that class the big bad dog puppy. That class him. And say she might have got trike him backside. She say him not ashamed. The boy don't have no shame. And him see, me not say him no not ashamed either. You have no shame. You're a shameless local fowl. You're a shameless local mongrel dog puppy. Go away. Go away.
So what y'all do here? Why are you here?
The flipping
Why
order.
are you here?
The flipping nerve.
Some of them are attention people.
Yeah, there.
Hungry for content. You see me? Them are attention hard.
Alright, we hear that then. Once me I jump past the party. More if you angle among the Donna. Sorry, me I go down that video, come on if you angle Donna, come on here the party to no damn lucky.
Put pressure on the Arctic and the toilet when me send enough on the pan it and sit down. That's all.
Can you guys double tap? The likes are free. It don't cost you nothing. Only you and YouTube alone knows who like and who don't like. I bet you if he's over this damn Confederates page, I bet you's on his damn Confederates pages. Without a tap, I'll blow up a tap long time. A lot of taps have been on it long time ago. Oh, but because me not kiss her bottom, I want to suck her crotches like one little dog to get a couple of pieces and say, oh, you want to suck my pussy. But say, watch her. I mean, she talk to. It could never be me she was talking to like that. You know, honestly, I kind of answered to her. I kind of answered. I'm saying, no, Dwayne, what's the point answering this person? These guys, the answer that person is very class. She's not in a class. If I had to come on my page and make such a statement, more I suck one big woman, boom, boom, who could be my mother for my own truth. That's either backside. Either, because listen, I got no time to go. I don't have time for people like that. You're gonna talk, but just don't go when I talk. If I don't like it, I'm gonna mute you. I'm gonna hide you. So no one sees you. Not even me. You have to come and comment. That's it. Shit. Ew. You know why?
So she not have nothing for go no. Oh no for the maths. Me tired for sure now for the geometry and nah learn. 3.4 to yeah man, me teach you no pi, me teach you no everything. I wanna still not learn. Me teach you no for find x, me teach you no once you no ask the question why it a gonna lead to x. I know no can't learn no for the maths all now. Me no want your mama call me name. Remember your mama first did come and utter my name when me never did know her. Me no want that big stinking gorilla they call me name. Me no fuck big stinking girl. Take it for exactly what you see it is when we start come out here. All I come to do is to Donna your mama and expose her for the thiefness and the lies them what she do. Me and I like you. When she call on the name, and she not go na down and jump and skip and up here ready for run, come up and come back, good but that the person that pick me up and hit me. No, me not work for big up idiot. That's why no mama can't have me the way she have on a fright, no just I know about with certain things. She know that too. She know that about me. She know that too. That's why she afraid of her push on for contact. Come say go they go say something to him. Cause she know. No deterrence in that boy, yeah. How me know say she on nothing.
She not call your name.
You're there. You really think say that? Wake up. I'm waking up to the reality. When I look at what trend on social media. Your mama name Cartel? Mama name Cartel? Him come, I shall beg him call on him and I'll know. I'll none they even look. I'll none they even look. I must say, well, and I mix up him soon from when in the day which part in there. You know so much of that boy, but you should call him, I try, I ask him, but never want to call some of them name. Some of the pages what you see, will come after and pass her out to them cooking and them this and them that in a river. I should come and I call them, them don't look. Call them not hungry like you. Me know who hungry down at Jamaica. And me know who have it and not look. You are one of the hungry one there.
Hungry like dog.
Remember, she never post you yet. Notice.
She never post. Boss, Donna never post you yet, boss. Never. He's a shameless dog. I mean, you want to come for me? She never post yet. Now, if I know I can go and come cuss. Go and come cuss, but she never posting it yet. Go away. And watch it. I want she post me still. I don't want a friend because she's a damn wicked and a damn liar. I don't like liars. right? And now I know for a fact she told lies. I'm good. I'm damn good. Donna, never again. You can look back in my face. I tell you already. I'm gonna stop saying you can never. You, Donna, God, can never look back in my face. Me know what go and listen to them want come to come cost me and do the nonsense for me to stop. But I'm not stopping. I won't stop. Me nah stop. I'm not look pan them. Me nah look pan them. You hear me? No distractions. I need you to know how I feel. I need you to know how I feel. You wronged me, Donna. You wronged me. You wronged a lot of us with your concoctions. You did that, not me. So I don't know why people don't want to cost me. I don't know why they want to cost me as if I wronged you. I don't know. I don't know. Shit.
As you put up Cartel, you see call her name, you see look on her. Him know one big dirty mix-up, oh man. I remember the Cartel used to things long time too. So I don't want to big up from one mama. I forgot? I only frightened Friday like, oh no, like you. Now played me. Now played me. Now say she call her, you know when you come from country name where Bill.
I don't know why.
I seen something that go better than, I him do the things that more than she. You see him look? You see him look? You think me don't know the temperature where me come from? Remember say me I want to come from the same place. What the same culture. You think me don't know?
I don't know why we don't know why the people want to come cost me. Freddy Wagwan. We don't know why they want to come cost me. As if me tell lie Pandana. That's the part me can't understand. Because the videos is there to show them she told lies. Them see too. But you see, because of this thing called them say, oh my auntie. They want to be on this wave so badly, them don't want to accept the damn truth. Hello? You don't accept it. I accept it. She told me lies, and she knows too. And she cannot look. People, me know some love her, me know nothing over no love her, me know. But I tell her the truth. When you're using that love word way too loose, way too damn loose, to the point where a lot of you forget your moral compass. There's a fine line between wrong and right. You hear me? And Donna wronged a lot of us, she did. Remember that Kwame come out to come bust on himself? Kwame came out and bust on himself. The videos was there a long time ago for you to see too. But guess what? We was not looking too deep because I would say it's festive. We have festive Friday, festive Monday, festive Tuesday, every day festive. I would just wanted to feel like a laughter and fun. But no, we was not looking deep enough. Donna wronged you. People, Donna wronged you. Donna told you lies too. Forget your money from you just like she did to me. When you no longer understand that side of the truth, it's the truth. She did it to you too. Donna is wicked. Donna, you can't look back upon me, girl. I don't know, I'm stop her for you know, but Donna, you can't look back upon me. And I don't care. You cannot look back upon me. Let your fans hate me all the more. That's for them business. Me not care. Me stand up for what I believe in. I'm standing up for what I believe in. I am.
Look, I see now, no woman and a name that people should come from down there. I name a dead out down there. Oh no. Nobody else now look. You see none of the people with the name of Papa call no mama name? I think me a rubber down. Now see, so have to wait and will out and wait for come out. Stop that Batman buzz. I don't ever stop. I don't ever stop. Who make your mama for do that? Cause I know you ain't a me. For free for come out.
Only can I give one super chat, one super chat. Give me one two super chat. One give me $5, one give me $5, and this one is give me $5, so $15. Give me $15. Three only give me $5 super chat. Sharp. And don't shame me. Do not shame me. Shame. I don't want to shame.
I should come out of a class, Stone.
He's a potter.
Don't mind them. Keep
You're there. It means a pot.
Social media. You see them saying, I'll be a follow for monkey.
You're there.
People come up and follow. That person come up, follow.
Like, oh, all I wanna come and follow me. But come say, all I wanna. It's sad. That's all that for fight me. That's all the mama threatened by me. And she told herself, God a page, do this, do that, do that. Me don't want soon. No. And the mama fed all kind of sabotage, all kind of something. And she still not reach nowhere.
I know the funny thing.
For shit.
This is when I realize when they realize people's talking truth about them, they attack people. They do, it's true. And someone over there try if they attack me, no. But they attack when I attack, it just won't work because I'm telling this is YouTube, not Facebook, where they can come in on the drones, in a swarm and attack people. It won't happen here. You stand a better chance on Facebook, depending if the person's over there and being very, very loud and being like just distasteful, and the AI can see that this person's really angry. It will work that way on Facebook, but not the way I said on a lucky, on a nah get away with these planks. I feel sorry for you people. I really do. I feel sorry for them. I really feel sorry for you people. I do. Just know, last, God sits high, looks low, and we must always learn to do our best and leave the rest to God. And that me, I'm not worried. No. I am not worrying. I don't know about one of them, but I'm not worried now for my truth. I'm not worried with Danny for what I can prove to be true. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not cuss. I'm not argue. I am not there. I am where I am now. I'm standing on the truth, and that is it. That's for me there. Nowhere else. About
after all those work on social media, after all those sabotaging, after all those trying to take down people page and try to this and that and try to scramble people page, it's still not put to the woman nowhere.
They do.
Still not put her nowhere. Still there square one. She can't help you no. And on me can't get nothing. She said the barrel come down there and she come up here, she not no money. The barrel should have come back with all I know are different 100%. All you come in, you never wear a good sneakers yet. Man, I ask. That's how you can't say it. You don't have not even good clothes. I know you don't have nothing, but me put it on the basic, not even good clothes in the house. You pack on barrel, cause so the real deal them do it. If me know say you're right for me, certain way, I mean as me touch ice, so the barrel for land down there. I supposed to take out the Jordans, them and the good up jeans, them and the good up top, them and I say, I want you, man, and the boss send them out, do you start defend, and them keep okay. Yeah, when I get none of that, when the mama and the money. When the mama and the money.
She broke.
Now coming out too late here. Only thing you gotta do, I cut here, but you're not gonna get nothing. Your page not gonna this, your page not gonna. Remember,
Remember, I tell the founder this. I say a lot of you who's running in it now, or running too late. Why running now? When the time when should I run in? When I never take the opportunity, then I know no one can run in. Right now, not for on fight for the scraps that is left. Nothing is left there. Nothing at all is left there. But for me, I'm standing on what I believe in, what I know is true. Me not fight for nothing. Me not run for nothing. Make good. Me can't hunger. Me can't suffer. I am not a people. Don't get me wrong, when I get a little super chat, that make me feel good, but I'm not really overlook money like that, you understand? I them want it, not me. When I get a little super chat, I'm thankful, absolutely, but I'm not here for money like how they are. And somehow, no, who are running night right now, una coming too late, una coming way too late. Una shall come in long time. Right now, when I fight for, I don't know what I'm fighting for. But it is not as effective as how it could have been. You understand? I'm doing too much, way too much. Donna is a liar. I'm also on the seat, on the damn seat too, on the seat. So why you wanna come drag me and tell me nonsense like as if me I tell lie? On the seat, you know, Donna I'll have Port scamming out of 13 million. Donna said our planks and gonna give Porty money, and Porty cannot show such a cook 30 million worth of food give those homeless people. And Porter was able to take 13 million from you people. 13. 13 million Jamaican. On is supposed to cook 30 million Jamaican waterphone. If you say something that on is that damn idiot, I wanna deserve what anything I'm not get on I deserve it. I watch it, Emma cook again. As another scam I want to do again. Don't make you fall on, don't make none of them fall on, wake up. Me not telling them to give me your money. Don't give me money. Keep money for your children, your grandchildren future, if that's the case. Keep for them. I'm good. Understand? But me have to tell them the truth. They all of them are thieves. They're all thieves, and that's just it. And it's no two ways about them, it's all thief.
Man, send them over there when she can draw them back from here too. Stop wasting your time. Start do some show about yourself. Go on at the bush and show the people them how mango grow, how this grow. Go down by the river and show them some things. Come remember, say them not down there. That you forgot though.
Father, a long time you have done. You have done from 2019.
In lie, I said
Yeah.
they lie. Hear him.
I will see what
No,
In lie, I said the boy lie. We said the boy lie. The boy said what that for 2019. Yet still, him wait so long for jumping on the Donna saga. And how is that possible? Back when I know Damien Vlogs, you know, Untouchable Grace. You was hello liar tell you was not on the scene. You're coming later. You're coming about 2021. About 2021, 2022, you're coming. 2021, what in time you're coming? Go away. Go away, you're too damn lie. You're too lie. A company, yeah look. Yeah look company. Yeah look damn company.